right, China just uncovered one of the largest gold deposits ever recorded, potentially over 1,000 metric tons. But it doesn't stop there. They've actually announced two discoveries in just a few months, both with the potential to reshape global supply, demand, and strategy. If you're thinking this might connect to how people protect their retirement with precious metals, well, yeah, it does. We're going to get to that in a bit. Let's start with the facts. In late 2024, the Geological Bureau of Hunan Province reported a supergiant gold deposit under Pingjiang County. State media estimated the find at over $83 billion in value, with some rock samples containing up to 138 grams of gold per ton, a figure considered exceptionally high grade in mining standards. Then came another announcement just months later, a second deposit in Liaoning province, also projected to hold around 1,000 metric tons. According to China Mining Magazine and reporting from The Independent, this deposit spans over 3 kilometers wide and more than 2.5 kilometers deep, and Chinese authorities claim it's easy to mine with high recovery rates. So why are these discoveries such a big deal? First, timing. These finds come as central banks, including China's, are aggressively boosting gold reserves. The World Gold Council noted that in 2024 alone, global central banks purchased over 1,000 metric tons of gold, about double the decade-long annual average. Second, the market response. The announcement of these deposits fueled even more bullish momentum in gold prices, which were already climbing on the back of global economic uncertainty. Now here's the part that ties it back to you. If central banks are racing to secure gold, and if China is leading the charge both in buying and mining, it's worth asking what role physical gold could play in your financial strategy. We're not diving into that just yet, but keep watching, we'll get there. Let's go a little deeper into how this happened. China has rapidly advanced its mineral prospecting technology. In the 2024 exploration round, researchers used a combination of general and detailed methods. The result? Every single drilling hole reportedly found gold ore. And at the Hunan site, 40 gold veins were mapped out as far as 3 kilometers below ground. Still, some experts remain skeptical. Geologists with the World Gold Council have called for further drilling and third-party verification, warning that it could take years before any of these deposits are commercially viable. But even cautious observers acknowledge the scale and density of the finds are impressive. Here's something else you should know. China already leads global gold production, mining 380 metric tons in 2024 alone, accounting for about 10% of global output. These new finds could dramatically increase that figure and secure China's long-term dominance in the gold market. And that brings us full circle. If the biggest players in the world are securing gold, not just above ground, but under it, how are you thinking about your own exposure? Again, not a pitch, but if you're watching this space closely, you're probably already thinking about strategies like precious metals IRAs. We'll link you more information below. If you're looking to learn more, Goldco is offering a completely free gold and silver kit to help you understand how a precious metals IRA works. You'll get a digital and physical copy plus a free audio and video version. And right now, if you request your kit, you could qualify for up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver while supplies last. Call Goldco to see how you could also get a free Ronald Reagan half-ounce silver coin just for getting started. Click the link in the description to see if you qualify. All right, folks, we'll see you next time.